Hello, this video is being recorded to show you that the water is not becoming the right temperature. I have a procedure here to explain. I start off by showing that the incoming temperature is approximately 25 degrees. I will now use the thermometer into the feed tank. And we will see the feed tank temperature. I will wait till the feed tank temperature stops going up. So as you can see, this shows the feed tank temperature at being approximately 23 to 24 degrees, which is room temperature, and is within the margin of error within the 25 degrees that's showing as room temperature on the front of the water drop machine. I will now show you that I have some boiling water which I'm going to use to preheat the Pyrex mug, which I want to use so that when we measure the temperature obtained, we can see that it is not because the temperature of the mug is cold. I will now measure the temperature of the water that was pre-boiled into the mug, and we will wait a short time so that we can be sure that the glass jug gets up to temperature. So we can see the mug temperature is approximately 84 degrees. I will now go back to the water drop machine and set the temperature to maximum, which is 95. I will dispense the existing water, which is at 85 degrees approximately, out of the mug. And I will now ask for 250 millilitres of water. I do notice that the water starts off running fast and then starts to slow down. Right, we have now dispensed 250 millilitres that is meant to leave at 95 degrees. We will now try to read the temperature of the water in the mug. As you can see, it is settling at around 50 degrees. I've never seen it any higher than 55 as an absolute maximum, no matter what I do. In this instance, it's now 51 degrees. I will wait till it stops going up. As you can see, the temperature has settled at 51 degrees and is now starting to drop. This is not acceptable for a machine that says it's dispensing at 95 degrees. I would like you to either to replace this machine, which I purchased from Amazon 2 days ago, or I take your advice. Thank you.